Kami gikap na ulit check ba customer gikap na ulit siya. To anyone who's wanting to come to New Zealand, good morning guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Thukten, you can call me Fro. Currently 5:23 a.m. right now. You guys must be wondering why am I up so early. It's because we have picnic plans today with few of our Bhutanese friends. So for the picnic, my mom decided to make dumplings, momos. So that's why we are up early. And let me show you guys how the preparation is going. Shit. Shit, that's right. Say, wait. And I'm waiting in the car for my mom and dad. We are going to go to Shakespeare Park to have dry picnic. The momo that we prepared is in the back seat and it's all ready, and I can already smell the momos from here. The whole car is filled with momo smell, and I'm about to get migraine, but it's alright. And nowadays my makeup is glowing, and this is my outfit today with a little cute bow moment here, and then with the pleated skirt. Then I bought a jacket if it gets cold, you know, because you can never trust New Zealand's weather. Bade! Wow! The ocean! Currently in a very unstable... Thank you, Aku. Currently in a very unstable tent.
아니,
لا
아니, 점심하고는 되나?
كم تجن ساعة
아니, 지금
كنا ننزلوا مرة من
لا كيسة.
Good. This is currently holding the tent. These two things. He's saving my life. Or else tent nazara ngati kubai ko rogi. Enjoying my cocktail. And the weather is so nice. It's sunny. Basically, we're gonna head to the beach. For now, let's just enjoy the weather. I like it in the tent.
야, 내가. 야, 내 타르잖아. 내가. 하질라.
Đâu cho anh mua đi cho anh mua.
야.
Ya anh 진짜 쓰면 돼. 이거 쓰셔야 돼.
했는데.
Access도야.
내가 너무 잘 쓰라.
알루니 봤어. 바다들 뛰는 저희들 못 들려.
Ano yung susunod ba? Yes, bito to. Ano pumpkin dan?
안 빵이 힘에.
Ano yung susunod?
Pumpkin mo looking. Sige, choose 제가. 지가 돈이?
Ano yung susunod? 차 많이 좀 mga
아니 이쁘다. 맞잖아. 옛날에 가는 거? 그만 먹어. Câmera tem de música de você. Está jogo bem, amata me refra, and some white bombs se nadi. Ako nga sumsi, niyo ko nisa. Acha, dyan sumo adi. Match na rin siya, tapos nilo. I can't swim, and I'm on my bed. Oh, I'm Chuna but I can't go. Gamchi Wangmo 아닙니다. 자마자니 배고프세. I did look a bit annoying because it was so windy down there. See, even like it's windy out here, but the tent is helping me. So, Binda, look at my feet. Look at my feet. Yalla, so chumana. Back. Backing.
We're back here again for another photo session to capture the memories. And this is near a really beautiful frame. See, this is overlooking the really beautiful frame. Yeah. So we're waiting in the queue with my mom.
Kore tayo pa di.
하고 줘. It's been 30 minutes and they're still going on with their game. I'm very bored. I'm very sleepy. You can see by my face. I want to go home and just rest. And I also have any video edit bin see. I have I have compilation. I have a bunch of videos saved baby that I never got the time to edit. Because I've not been able to edit. Look at this really cute family. Dato nga Borington be wag na jodoba. There's this lake near this place. Dani di hemanga aida pa na first time am dalukong na mu pebimba, so it's nearby. The conduci videos o pata pe hemanga buchan den nga lukyo dalu. I used to want to come to this place. Ani pa na rejixtong si. So ani giving so that's why I always tell them to bring me here because it got this really nice vibe. Let me show you guys. You can actually see fish in here if you look carefully. But the true brown today. You can see fish in the lake, but you're not allowed to feed the fish. You can like get scolded for that. I was scolded once for that. And yeah, I would like to thank everyone who came in today to make this day a special one. I hope we will get together more in future and be able to enjoy and rejoice in our own way. It was really refreshing, and to anyone who's wanting to come to New Zealand, it is nice here, but it could be challenging. So, but just know that we have Bhutanese friends here to rely on. But don't trust anyone. Like just anyone. Like just do some research, guys, before you trust Bhutanese in New Zealand. I'm not saying everyone is good. Not everyone is good. Some of them are bad. Be careful, especially girls. Anyways, so today I'm gonna end my video here because I will not be able to record the outro when I get home because I'll be so tired. Starbucks daw ay mali. Ini seragam stukas. Araw-araw ko here. We can't find a good spot yet. I'm following my mom. Mommy's right here. What's that, Ivy? With sky. Please get the legend to Minsa. Did you always back home? Chicken sawa, yeah. So first chicken sawa, chicken that would be more than 30 minutes too. Did you turn the town from there? Hey, Anna Didi. Ah, Johnny, the chicken are clear. Home me. Ah, don't meet el back home. That's the. That's Anna Didi. Anina, immediate. They. That kogi the back yesterday. Sorry. Kata cuma dah jadi. May ani atan tu isi. Cintu. Sabi ya, hiong kamu. Betul? Asal ni mana? Minggu sih. Tapi 15 minutes sih, tapi tu. Masih 15 minutes dah bengat cinta itu mo. Sorry, order baby. Mari. Cheers, fish. Aduh, love the KB sah. 거기 아저씨 루이가 맛이 자주 먹네요. 좀 주세요. 나 아니 킹 주세요. 마기디 망고기 테스트 한번 하들. 테스트 한번. 인도안. 아니 짠이 좀 스윗 봉지. Two. Just on the pearl that she made. Jamiji restaurant na isa. Mas the chicken ni kadiri jimga. Chicken ni the dumpling chi order base sa I don't know. The dani tadi di ngai di maju. Madega noi. Halam chi order base rabe. Zezum chi be na shnigi. Andi kamloi. Kamloi se da chela jada ngadi. Norch be de. Aji drink thumina de akale zobe. Magazum china zobe. Thumbe. Thumi ki cup na le cheka chipa customer ki cup na lu dese. Thumangta. Asa de sara khogi de na table chata ite. Come Josh. finally done with the momos.
एक बार नरमा पिसवा देंगे
Happy New Year!
Wala pala kasi tadi.
Apa?
Fried wings.
Güzel.
Can do this.
अच्छा Same to you.
One more.
20 kadar Sigma. Sigma şey konuşuyor. Arkadaşlar zaminden ama.
Fireworks ta tayo uduy man. Ate ko din sa tabi baby.
Aga. Nip siya bang ginagawa?
Minam din ako dyan.
Binang açık son bilgilerden para quando sappi che questo Mangi, io contro mio